Hello, this is Anay and presenting Resona. Resona is an agentic AI memory system for transforming conversations into structured intelligence. For this demo, I'll be using a recorded real world conversation using a simple audio recorder. We are now seeing the landing page. Our core insight was simple. Some of the most important information in life exists inside conversations, but most of it disappears after meetings, networking events, lectures, and discussions. So, to get started, let's create an account. The audio we recorded would become an raw input for Resona's multi-engine memory system. Now we upload the audio into Resona. Once uploaded, the system begins processing the conversations through multiple intelligence layers. Behind the scenes, Resona performs transcription, contextual understanding, memory extraction, prioritization, and action generation, all asynchronously through our modular backend architecture. Instead of immediately dumping AI output onto the user, Resona progressively surfaces intelligence, reducing the cognitive load on user's brain. Now the process conversations appear inside Resona's memory. Instead of showing transcripts, the system extracts memory context and processes into actionable clarity. Here you can see I can also directly link events or reminders to my Google Calendar. Here, Resona also identifies opportunities, important actions, decisions, contextual follow ups, etc. For example, the internship related opportunity, follow up actions, etc. This system creates contextual memory around people, discussions, and recurring topics. Resona is designed to become a second brain for conversations. Thank you.